Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a transformation look of Margot Robbie in the new film Terminal. I saw this film the other day and I absolutely loved her character of Annie, who is both a waitress and also a burlesque dancer or boss, whichever you want to put. But yeah, I love both sides of Annie and I've decided to do both looks. I've also tried to get my hair sort of similar. I'm not very good at doing victory rolls and they don't seem to want to stay in that well. And I couldn't find a top that had red stripes, so I've just done blue. Basically it's the closest I could get, and it's not like a full transformation look because obviously I haven't got the blonde hair or anything like that. I also done my base and tightlined my eyes before I started filming, purely because it's the same as what I always use. So if you want to see how to get the rest of both the looks, then carry on watching. They are both the looks inspired by Margot Robbie's character of Annie in Terminal. I really like the more burlesque look with the green lips, and yeah, I think with the hair down it looks sort of a bit more together with it. Obviously, like I said, I'm not the best at hair anyway, so this is the closest I could get. But I really like doing both these looks, so you have to let me know which one you prefer, the waitress or the dancer. So remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye!